2027 all-new upgraded 2-zone sprinkler timer, water inlet, LCD screen, water outlets, battery display, setting dial, zone button, battery installation. Remove the battery compartment cover at the back of the timer. Insert 2 new AA alkaline batteries. Put the battery compartment cover back to the timer and press firmly to make sure it is completely sealed. Install the timer on the faucet. Close garden faucet. Apply Teflon tape to faucet threads. Install the timer on the faucet, ensuring the display is positioned vertically to prevent water intrusion. Apply Teflon tape to timer outlet threads. Connect garden hoses to timer outlets. Turn faucet on after setting timer. Tips: if timer connections loose or leaking, add more Teflon tape and align threads. Use a rubber washer if faucet threads don't reach the timer inlet. Note: install timer manually. Remove it during freezes to avoid damage. Properly install and maintain the filter. Programming the timer. This 2-zone water timer allows you to set the start time, watering duration, and frequency. Step 1. Set clock. Rotate the knob until the arrow points to set clock. Press the knob once to enter set clock setting mode. Rotate the knob left 4- and right 4+. Press the knob to toggle between hours and minutes. After setting the minutes, press once to exit set clock mode. Rotate dial clockwise to save and continue. Step 2. Start time. Rotate the knob until the arrow points to start time. Press the knob once to enter start time setting mode. Turn the knob left 4- right 4+. Press the knob to switch between hours and minutes. Briefly press the zone button to switch to setting the start time for zone 2. After completing the settings, rotate the dial clockwise to save the settings and proceed. Step 3. How long? Rotate the knob until the arrow points to how long, then press the knob once to enter duration setting mode. Turn the knob left 4- and right 4+ to adjust watering duration, 1 minute to 360 minutes. Briefly press the zone button to switch to zone 2 and set its how long. Press the knob once to exit the time setting mode. Turn the knob clockwise to save the settings and proceed. Step 4. How often? Rotate the knob until the arrow points to how often. Press the knob once to enter the watering frequency setting mode. Turn knob left 4- or right 4+ to adjust watering frequency from 1 to 23 hours or 1 to 15 days. Briefly press the zone button to switch to zone 2 and set its how often. Press the knob once to exit time setting mode. Turn knob clockwise to save settings and continue. Step 5. Auto manual mode. Rotate the knob until the arrow points to auto/manual to run the preset program automatically. The LCD screen will display the current time and automatically switch to show the next scheduled program run time. Congratulations! Your timer is set. It will water automatically per your schedule. Just leave the faucet on and let the timer handle the watering. Manual watering. Rotate the knob until the arrow points to auto/manual, then press the knob once to enter manual watering mode. Briefly press the zone button to cycle between irrigation zones, zone 1, zone 2, or zone 1 and zone 2. Turn the knob left 4- and right 4+ to adjust manual watering duration from 1 to 480 minutes. When the digits flash, press the knob to confirm and start the watering program. The screen will display the remaining time. Note: manual watering overrides automatic mode. If a manual watering is scheduled later, it interrupts ongoing automatic watering, losing the remaining time. During manual watering, any conflicting automatic watering is skipped. Rain delay. At auto, hold rotary knob for 5 seconds to access rain delay. Rotate the knob left 4- and right 4+, adjust rain delay from 1 to 7 day. Press rotary knob to activate the rain delay program. Note: the rain delay function cannot be paused. To stop it, press and hold the rotary button for 5 seconds to immediately exit rain delay mode. During rainfall delay, preset programs will stop running. After rainfall delay ends, preset programs will resume normal operation. Off mode. To pause all watering schedules, turn the knob to off. In off mode, the timer will not perform watering operations, but will retain your schedule settings. When you switch back to auto, the schedule will automatically resume execution. Turn off individual zones. Rotate the knob until the arrow points to start time. Briefly press the zone button to select the zone you wish to turn off individually. Press the knob once to enter start time setting mode. Turn the knob left 4- and right 4+. Rotate the knob until off is displayed, then briefly press the knob once to save the setting. Note: automatic watering only operates when the dial is on auto. Child lock. To prevent accidental activation by children, turn the knob to the off position. Press the knob twice briefly to enter the auto interface, where programming is disabled. To cancel child lock, press the knob twice briefly while in child lock mode. The interface will return to programmable status. Note: in child lock mode, the system automatically switches to the auto mode interface. The knob cannot be programmed during this time and will execute the preset irrigation schedule normally. Just set it and forget it.